channel, everybody. I hope everybody's having a great morning. Haven't washed the vehicle in quite a long time. It's getting cooler here in Arizona, so thank God. For right now, we're just gonna get a car wash just because the car is so filthy. Just give it a quick wash, wipe down, make sure everything looks good. We are back at the garage.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
The car is looking really, really good. Check it out. Still a little bit dirty in some areas, but this will do. I recently just picked up a CSX center console from Canada. Shout out to the homie Calvin. Calvin, if you're watching, I appreciate you, dog. So normally in the inside, it is exposed area here. And you know, like let's say you have like, I don't know, something valuable or something in there you don't really want to see, you can just slide it down and, you know, it just looks more pleasing. Kind of looks like this. So we're gonna install that now. From what I hear, it's just a couple clips, you just pop it out and yeah, that's pretty much it. So here they are side by side. Of course, the SI is a little bit darker. Definitely love the look of this one better. Sliding door, trap door. I love it, man. So I'm gonna wipe this thing down real quick because it's pretty dirty. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the car. There it is. Really, really happy with how it looks. Like I said, the shade is a little bit off, but you can't really tell. And man, it's just so much more complete. You have a little trap door here you could throw your stuff in. And it's just a simple mod that, me personally, I think just completes the whole look of the car.
Put your head on my
So install is done. Loving the way it looks. Next thing we're gonna do is the wing. But first, I'm gonna go get like a nice little fade, low fade, and we'll continue this install as soon as I get back. Peace. All right, guys, just got out the barbershop. Did a little fade on the side, you know. Next thing we're gonna do is I wanna go to Ace Hardware because I gotta get some screws for the wing. Also,
disgusting!
Excuse me. Giveaway video is right now. If you guys are still with me, 3 Amazon gift codes are in this video. And I scatter them all throughout the video. So I don't know, you might have seen them. You probably will see them. Values range from 10, 20, 30. Who knows? I'm not gonna say anything. 3 Amazon gift card codes in this video. You guys have a chance to redeem them if you're quick enough. And that's why you gotta turn the post notifications on and you gotta subscribe to the channel, because when I do giveaways like this, they're gonna be in the video from now on. So that way you guys have a chance to get free stuff, which, I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? This is just a way of me thanking you guys just for the support. And you know, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers and I didn't even think I would break like 800. So Really means a lot to me, guys. Really appreciate your support. I can't say that enough. And yeah, so now we're gonna go to Ace Hardware, try to get some screws, and we're gonna drill. Try not to mess anything up. All right, let's get going. All right, people, so we at Ace right now. Cool. Whew, looking good. Here are my paper templates, guys. I know, a little ghetto, but if you look at these, they do fit well under and not as exposed. Okay, so kind of just cut some squares out so that way when I put the screws in, it's not hitting against the gasket. Okay, so I got it test fitted on the actual trunk right now. Nothing is drilled yet. Just kind of want to get an idea of the space between this curve here in relation to the wing. So I was looking at some references on Instagram, just like on type bars in Japan, and it looks like they stop before this bend. So I just want to make sure that everything lines up good before I start drilling, because once I start drilling, can't really go back from that. All right, everyone, wing is on. Sorry I did not film most of it. It took a lot of time, and to be honest, I do have another video of me mounting my Mugen RR rep wing. So if you want to check that video out, I can also link that in the description as well. But here is the wing. And let me tell you something. This wing was not easy to put on. Like, I mean, I will never want to do that again. But anyways, looks good, lines up. I had to measure a whole bunch of times before I drilled, and everything is set and good. My homie just hit me up. Nate, he just picked up a Mugen SI. You know, will be probably part of this channel. And we can take a look at it and see what's up. Hey, really? Ah, damn. He's got a leak. All right, guys, so that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and like I said, turn post notifications on, because when I do giveaways, you guys will be first notified, and you guys can get some free Amazon gift cards or whatever kind of gift cards. I'll probably ask you guys, but when I hit 1,000 subscribers, which will probably be real soon, I might do another giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. Again, thank you guys for all your support. I appreciate every last one of you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.